what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I have not been well last week. With this said, my house was in full chaos, and my first thing that I wanted to tackle was to bring everything to order. Everything has caught up a lot of dust in past couple of days. As I've mentioned before, there is a freeway very close to our home, and we get a lot of dust in this house. I don't have so much strength to do deep cleaning, just a basic cleaning and just to bring everything in place. Taking care of just the flat surfaces with my trusty upholstery brush, microfiber cloth and a spray bottle with water. I have already shared my cleaning caddy and my cleaning routine with you all, and I will link that video in the description box and on the eye above. My plants were sad too. No one to water them, they were a little droopy. Today we have to leave early for Ishi's annual function at school. I'm just trying to wind up everything as fast as I can and as quiet as I can because Anshuman and Ishi are still sleeping. While they are sleeping, I'll be able to wind up all these odd jobs around the house. With rainy season around, it is very important to take care of all these hydroponic plants. The water needs to be changed regularly, preferably every alternate day. This plant has been sitting in the same water for almost 3 or 4 days. I was very worried, not just for the plants but also it becomes a breeding ground for different kinds of insects and mosquitoes. With all the festival seasons coming up, I'm so geared up to take care of the house and this time also to take care of myself. I would love to share my self-care routine with you all. Actually, not a routine yet, but I do want to make that as a part of my routine. And I'll try and share it in form of a video. Let me know if you would enjoy that. This is my quick hack. When there is so much to do and I have very little strength left in the body, a quick cleanup, just using all the cushion covers or pillows, putting the blankets right, cleaning just the flat surfaces, putting away the laundry and adding one load of laundry. If I'm able to achieve this much, I think I have conquered the fort. I am in full speed mode now. It's almost time and we should head out now. So a quick dosa recipe is my go-to. I add a teaspoon of jackfruit powder and a teaspoon and a half of ragi flour. This does not change the consistency of the dosa batter at all, but adds the nutrition value to the plain Jane dosa that we always like to eat. I have zero time left to make chutneys, so I just spread some tomato ketchup and the dosa turned out really delicious.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
Once Ishi's school function was over, We went out for lunch and we had zucchini pasta along with mushroom risotto, some mocktails, and a pot full of herbal tea. Oh, that tea was so refreshing on that day since it was still pouring outside. After fever, I had barely any appetite left, so I couldn't eat much, but I really enjoyed the tea.
I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
The recipe for makhana kheer is super simple. Just roast the makhanas. I'm dry roasting it. You can also use ghee. Just thicken 1 liter of milk to half so that it turns into a beautiful amber color, just like this. And to this add the roasted makhana. Just splits it in your grinder into a fine powder. Then mix it for a couple of seconds. Add some powdered cardamom powder. And once you have turned off the gas, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of jaggery. Yes, you do not need too much of jaggery as the milk has thickened so beautifully, it has caramelized, and you would not need more sugar or jaggery for this.
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?